Hello, today I'm talking about how to make money with PLR products. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, and these are products where you buy the rights to claim them as your own. So these could be written products, article packs, ebooks, things like that. They could be actual videos or audio products, sometimes even websites and software. But the beauty of it is the content is done or the product is done. You don't have to go and create that. And so you get a fast start. You get to accelerate because you're not having to actually make something. So today I want to talk about how to make money with PLR products. And so we're going to talk about really kind of just a simple little process here. Number one, you've got to choose a niche. Now, a niche is an area of focus. And so, there's evergreen niches such as make money online, health and fitness, dating and relationships, self-help, personal development, finance, and others. And then there's niches that sometimes are more of a fad. They kind of come and go. So for this example, we're going to use the health niche, okay, which is the kind of bigger evergreen niche. And you could get more specific if you wanted and try to focus on something just within the health niche. For in this example, maybe the keto diet. But even though the keto diet is very popular right now, maybe it won't be in a couple years, okay? And so that's why you got to be a little careful sometimes if you're only getting super specific. But that is another way to maybe get more focused traffic, which we're going to talk about how to get traffic. Then after you choose your niche or sub-niche, you want to choose on what products you're going to promote. So you need to join some affiliate networks that have products that you can promote as an affiliate so that when you make a sale, then you earn a commission. I recommend starting with Clickbank. There's lots and lots and lots of affiliate platforms out there, so don't just get stuck on one. But Clickbank is great because if we go over there, here I'm inside my Clickbank account, and Clickbank is really good for several reasons. One, they offer lots of different niches, okay? We're in their marketplace, and you can see all these different niches. For this example, we're talking about the health and fitness niche, and you can see all these different sub-niches within health and fitness. And so you can find lots of great products. For example, we were talking about if you wanted to go into a sub-niche like the keto diet, you can see they have all kinds of keto products that you could promote. And the great thing about Clickbank is you're automatically approved for almost every single product on here, okay? So that's another advantage of using Clickbank. And then lastly, you need to decide on a traffic source, right? Traffic is basically just getting people to see that affiliate product, so hopefully they'll make a purchase and you'll earn a commission, because that is really the sales process that we've been talking about. So sales process, you got to have traffic, you got to have people that they click on your affiliate link, which then takes them to that product sales page. You let the product sales page do the selling for you, and then after they're convinced, they make a purchase and you earn a commission. The commissions from Clickbank are typically in the range of 30% all the way up to 100% sometimes. Much better than other, like Amazon, they typically pay around 2 to 3%, okay? So definitely look at what commission you're being paid. Now, this is where a lot of people struggle, is getting traffic. And so we're going to talk about how to use YouTube as a traffic source. I'm going to show you a new channel I just made in the health and fitness niche that just became eligible to get monetized for AdSense. But I'm not really focused on making my money with AdSense is nice. It's nice to get money from AdSense from the ads that are running on my YouTube videos. Because the thing is, before you're monetized to earn from the ads, YouTube is showing ads on your video anyway. It's just that they're making all the money from those ads, okay? They keep 100%, you get nothing. Once you get monetized, then you can earn some money from the ads that they're running on your videos. And so why not? It's a nice little extra side stream of income, but the big income is coming from affiliate product sales and getting commissions from those affiliate products. And so this is a process that we want to go through. And we're going to use PLR products to create content on YouTube. And we're going to make YouTube videos without showing our face, without needing to use our voice, without having to do create the content necessarily to put on there. And I'm going to show you how to do all of that. So let's go to, this is my new channel, Health and Fitness channel. You can see I just uploaded the first video just about 6 weeks ago. Today is March 4th. I uploaded my first video January 18th. You can see in the view columns, getting lots of views, lots of likes, getting good traffic. So you can see that. And I'm going to just say example. Let's use one of my first videos. This video I made January 25th. So just over 6 weeks ago. No, I'm sorry, not even, just over 4 weeks ago, not even 5 weeks ago, this juicing video. Let's see what it looks like on YouTube if we pull it up. Okay, so look, YouTube is running an ad on my video, okay? I make nothing from that ad until I get my channel monetized. Once it's monetized, then I can earn a portion of it, okay? And so here's the video. You can see it's using stock images. It's the text is on here. You can add a voiceover, background music, but you're not seeing my face. You don't have to put your face on there. You don't have to use your own voice. These videos convert. These videos do very well. Okay, you can see that I've gotten 519 views in just over 4 weeks, about 100 views a week, lots of likes. These videos work. Okay, and I'll show you the software I use to make these videos in just a minute. So first of all, we got to find out where we're going to get our PLR products from. There's lots of different PLR sites. My favorite is bigproductstore.com. I like it for several reasons. They have about 15,000 PLR products. They add new products every single day. They add products of all kinds of different content. Audio products. Content is usually like article packs, text content. Yeah, they have video PLR products. I use a lot of ebooks, the content from ebooks. And so they just have a lot of products, and they're adding new products every single day. You can start with a free version, and then they have a paid version. I paid $100 one-time payment for lifetime access to bigproductstore.com. I use it all the time. Lots of other good PLR sites though as well. PLR Me. This is idplr.com. This is plrdatabase.net and plrproducts.com. Just be a little careful because a lot of them you either buy on a per product basis, which can be actually quite expensive. Some of them, do a little trickery and have you buy credits to buy products, and those credits actually end up being pretty expensive. Or a lot of them, require you to pay a monthly fee, and they don't offer a one-time lifetime fee. Big Product Store does offer a one-time lifetime fee. So how did I make this juicing video? Well, I went and got a ebook about juicing from bigproductstore.com, and then I went into this online software called Pictory, and I'll leave links for all this in the description box below. And Pictory, basically, you just upload your content from your PLR ebook, and then it creates these scenes, which you see on the left-hand side, and you also see the scenes below the video down here. And it'll automatically find stock content to match it up with that scene, with that text. If you don't like the stock video it picked, you can find different stock videos to use. Now, I'm not going to go into great detail right now about Pictory because I have a full Pictory review on my channel, so you can go and find that and watch. I show you everything from choosing different stock videos, how to use the audio, the styles, the formats, the whole 9 yards. But Pictory is how I made this video, and how you can make videos where you don't have to show your face. High quality videos, people like them, they watch them, you'll earn some money from AdSense, and you'll earn affiliate commissions because you will refer people to the affiliate link in the description box below your video. Now, how do I know these work? So, in this video, the 2 keywords I was going after is easy ways to include juicing in your diet and juicing for weight loss. So let me open up. This is a incognito browser, as you can see. So that way when I search in YouTube, it's not going to be influenced by my recent search history, okay? So if I go here and start typing juicing, look what the first keyword is, juicing for weight loss. YouTube says, hey, the most common, when people start typing in juicing, the number one thing they're searching for is juicing for weight loss. That's one of my main keywords. Well, let's click on that and see what results we get. Okay, so you have ads on top, obviously, but if we go down to just the regular videos, okay, this is the first position, the second, and then here's my video in the third position. Okay, so, and I just put this up just over 4 weeks ago. Now, I use a very specific method to get my YouTube channels monetized quickly and to also get them to rank. Okay, there's some tricks to get these to rank. Because look at the number one. This was put up 5 years ago, 198,000 views. This was put up 8 years ago, 1 million views. Here's mine, just a month ago, just 4 weeks ago, 519 views, and yet it's in the number 3 position, outranking this one with 51,000. Outranking this one with 11 million views from just a year ago, 7,500 views, 37,000, 1.3 million. And so you can see there is a specific method that'll get your videos ranking high for super competitive keywords. There's a course I use to do this. I'll put the link in the description box below if you're interested in learning how to do this for yourself as well. And so that is in a nutshell, the overview for how to make money with PLR products. Choose your niche. Go find products to promote. Go find some PLR products, some PLR products that you're going to use for content, and then get that traffic, I would suggest, from YouTube. Now, I have on here a blog. If you want to do it through a blog, you can. I think takes more work and more time to get traffic. Quicker traffic is definitely through YouTube. So I hope you found this helpful. Please leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe for more information. I'll put all the links that I talked about in this video in the description box below. I thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe so you can stay up to date with new content that I put out.